Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to create sequences in Hubspot to automate your sales outreach and follow-ups. To get started, log into your Hubspot dashboard. From there, navigate to the Sales section, typically represented by the Sales icon. Under that menu, click on Sequences. Once the Sequences page loads, click on Create Sequence. This allows you to automate emails and tasks as part of your outreach process. You can choose to start from scratch or select a pre-made template, such as a recent conversion follow-up, product demo outreach, or other available options. For this example, select the Call-Heavy Prospecting template. You'll be able to preview details like the estimated completion time and total steps included. Click Create Sequence to begin using the template. You can fully customize it by editing the email content, adjusting tasks, and modifying each step as needed. Since it's a template, you're free to tailor everything to match your workflow. Once your edits are complete, enter a name for your sequence and choose who can access it. Then click Save. After saving, the sequence will appear in your list. From there, you can enroll contacts and monitor its performance. That's all for today. If you haven't signed up for Hubspot yet, be sure to use the affiliate links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.